Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set up basic delivery method for your online store. For best experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, click Store Settings option. Tap Delivery. Firstly, to set up a local delivery, tap on Domestic Delivery. Then, tap on Add Delivery option. Here, you can insert your own postage rates based on the couriers and logistic companies that you use. Fill in the required details. In the description box, you may add details such as maximum weight, delivery time, and coverage areas. You may add multiple domestic delivery services for your online store with different couriers that you use. Once done, click Save. We will now move on to enabling pickup services for your store. This enables your customers to come to your physical store and pick up the items themselves. In the delivery page, tap on Domestic Pickup or Locker. Then choose Add Pickup option. Then, at the store name, pickup location, choose Meet Up. You may add a fee if needed. In the description, you may add your store address for pickup. For this option, note that enabling this will entitle the customer to pay for the item when they pick up at your physical store. Last but not least, we will now add cash on delivery services for your online store. In the delivery page, tap on Domestic Delivery. Then, choose Add Delivery option. Then, at the courier name, insert your COD coverage areas. You may add a fee accordingly. In the description, you may add a note that this is a COD service. For Pay on Delivery, this enables your customers to pay shipping or COD charges once they receive their orders. For Accept Cash on Pickup, this enables your customers to pay for their order when they receive it. You may enable whichever option you feel is best for your business. Once done, click Save. To add multiple places, go back to Add Delivery option and repeat the step. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.